Thirikari kuhitukira ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa ndawa na mirimu KEMRI ni ruguritie ceceni ya kiriu iria ni ya mbere gitaro-ini kia Afrika ya kuheana motungata ma urigitani wa mirimu iria tagwatanagio kuhitukira uthuthuria wa ciĩga cia mwiri iria thondekaga cells hamwe na uthuthuria wa ndawa kuhitukira rabu. Kuringana na Dorcas Wachira uria ni murugamiriri munene wa ugima wa mwiri ruhonge-ini rwa KEMRI, ceceni ino ihuthirite muigana wa ciringi mirioni 77.2 kuma kuri thirikari nene na itanyitwo kurehe ugaruruku munene ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri hari kurigita mirimu iria tagwatanagio ta murimu wa cukari, mirimu ya ngoro, kansa, mirimu ya kanua, maitho na magego, odumwe na kurigita mahia hamwe na nguraro iria icungagiririo ni mitino ya farafara.
This marks or gives hope to many patients who are suffering from many conditions. We have the platform, we have the equipment, as you have seen, and we are going to make best use of those equipment that we have for stem cell research. So we call upon other like-minded scientists, people, so that we can advance this new era of stem cell research.
Oho ruhonge ruru ni rutanyite kurigita mirimu ino na njira ya kumihonia kaimana handu-ini ha kurigitagwo ndariri cia mirimu ino hari uhuthiri wa ndawa. Itanya inene ari kuhuthiria muingi ngarama ya urigitani iria kwa ihinda riri icungiriirie family nyingi kurika ukiini munene.
We will just reduce the cost of treatment for these diseases because you just need to go to a clinic near you or to a facility, to a hospital, and then you get the treatment.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa ihinda ruhonge-ini ruru Elijah Songok ni ugite ceceni ino iri na uhoti wa guthondeka ndawa kwa uingi, akiuga ni matanyite guthondeka gicunji kia 80% kia ndawa wikinyaniria mwaka wa 2060.
This is in response to the current government's priority agenda of local manufacturing of medical products. These KEMRI products are actually ready for large-scale manufacturing through local and international manufacturers establishing their footprints in Kenya and the region.
Kwitukira ceceni ino arutwo aria mari na kioneki gia guthomera maundu matiganite megie ugima wa mwiri kuma gitaro-ini kia Afrika ni marikoragwo na mweke wa guthomera ruhonge-ini ruru.
This graduate school will train masters and PhDs, and then now we are going to postdoc. We are working with the Commission for University Education to give us a charter. That particular group of scientists that we are training are the ones going to take up these particular innovations.
Muoroto munene wa uruguria uyu ni kwambatiria ikiro cia urigitani wa ugima wa mwiri guothe bururi-ini udumwe na kunyihiria muingi thabari iria utumaga ugithie gwetha motungata ma ugima wa mwiri mabururi-ini ma nanja. Handu-ini ha KEMRI TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.